cup-like warmth globally customized. Your exclusive stainless steel insulated bottle factory. Hello everyone, Dongdong Talks Cup is here. In 2025, I will promote my company and continue to share industry knowledge and daily life. Please continue to follow me and share my articles with more friends. Have you ever thought about how the thermos in your hand transformed from a piece of stainless steel into your intimate companion in life? We are the wizard behind it, a factory specializing in the design, development, and production of stainless steel insulated bottles. Whether you need personalized insulated bottle design or are looking for a reliable global OEM partner, we can provide you with a one-stop solution. The mystery of thermos. Why can it keep warm? Before introducing our services, let's talk about the secret of thermos bottles. The reason why thermos bottles can keep warm mainly depends on their double-layer stainless steel structure and vacuum design. A vacuum is created between two layers of stainless steel, forming an insulation layer that effectively prevents heat transfer, whether it's hot or cold water. Insulated bottles can maintain temperature for several hours or even longer through this design. Thermal insulation principle. There are three ways of heat transfer: conduction, convection, and radiation. The vacuum layer blocks conduction and convection, while the copper or silver plating on the inner wall reduces thermal radiation, thereby achieving insulation effect. Material selection. We use food-grade 304 or 316 stainless steel to ensure that the insulated bottle is not only durable, but also safe and harmless. Why choose us? Professional design, tailor-made. From stylish stainless steel sports insulated bottles to elegant stainless steel business insulated bottles, and even cute children's insulated bottles, our design team can create unique products according to your needs. We can meet your imagination in terms of color pattern and functionality. Global OEM quality assurance. We undertake global insulation bottle OEM business with advanced production equipment and strict quality control system. Whether you want OEM production or mass customization, we can ensure that every thermos bottle meets international standards, so you have no worries. Diverse choices to meet all needs. Whether you need stainless steel insulated bottles, stainless steel insulated pots, or other types of bottle and pot products, we can provide a variety of choices. We have everything from sports to business, from adults to children. Easy collaboration accompanied by humor. We deeply understand that cooperation is not just about business, but also a pleasant experience. Our team is not only professional, but also full of humor. Working with us, you will find that producing thermos bottles can also be a fun and easy thing. Our commitment high quality. Each insulated bottle undergoes strict quality testing to ensure durability and good insulation effect. Fast delivery. We have efficient production lines to ensure timely delivery and never delay your plans. Global service. No matter where you are, we can provide you with high quality service and support. Contact us if you are looking for a reliable stainless steel insulated bottle factory or want to customize your own insulated bottle brand. Don't hesitate. We welcome your consultation and cooperation at any time. Let's feel the warmth of the bottle together and embark on a global customization journey.